In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a Joomla article. Whether you're a seasoned Joomla user or someone just getting started, incorporating a PDF into your content can be a powerful way to share detailed information, data sheets, or even promotional content directly within your website. I'll guide you through each step, so let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to create a new article or open an existing one in Joomla. This is pretty straightforward. Just navigate to your Joomla dashboard, go to Content and select Articles. From there you can either start fresh with a new article or choose an existing one that you'd like to edit. Once you have your article open and ready to edit, the next thing you'll do is position your cursor at the exact spot where you want the PDF to appear. This is crucial because it determines where the PDF will be embedded within your article. Take a moment to ensure it's exactly where you need it. Now, with your cursor in place, look for the CMS content button in the editor. It's usually located within the toolbar where you see various icons for text formatting. Click on that button and a drop down menu should appear. In that menu, you'll want to select Media. This is your gateway to accessing and managing the files you'll be using in your Joomla articles. If the PDF you want to embed isn't already uploaded to your Joomla media library, you'll need to upload it. Go ahead and click on Upload within the Media Manager. You'll be prompted to select a file from your computer, so navigate to where your PDF is stored, select it, and confirm the upload. This ensures your PDF file is accessible and ready to be used within your article. With your PDF now uploaded, it's time to select it. Look for the PDF icon within the Media Manager, and when you find it, click on it. A pop-up window should appear with various options. Here you will want to choose Embed, as this action will prepare your PDF to be inserted directly into your article. Next, you'll have the opportunity to set the desired width and height of the embedded PDF block. Adjust these settings to fit the design and layout of your article. You may want to preview how it looks to ensure it complements the rest of your content seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with the dimensions and placement, go ahead and click Insert Media. Your PDF will now be embedded within the article, appearing where you positioned your cursor earlier. Finally, save your article. With that, your PDF is now live and accessible to your audience as part of your Joomla article. And there you have it, simply and efficiently, your PDF content is now perfectly integrated into your website. Thank you for watching, and happy embedding.